Welcome to PSM First Person Solution Math. I'm your tutor Sumant Fev. Today we are going to learn the introduction to trigonometry exercise 11.2 for the state syllabus, and for CBS it is 8.2 exercise. In that the fourth main. So it is the state whether the following are true or false. Justify your answer. This is the fourth question, and I have already solved the first three main in my previous videos. So if you have missed it, the link will be given in description. Go there and check that video, and you can come back. So here the thing is, we have to prove here true or false for these 5 questions. Not only saying that true or false, also we have to justify our answer. If it is true, also we have to justify our answer. If it is a false, also we have to justify our answer. So let us go for the first question. The first question here, they have given sin A plus B is equal to sin A plus sin B. It is like algebraic question. So we have that if we will take that x and multiply with the a plus b, and the answer was given as the x, we have to multiply for both. So it is x into a plus x into b. So it was an algebraic question. That time we can say like this way, it is possible. Whether it is possible for sine, means the trigonometry function, whether it is valid, actually it is not valid. Directly we can write it down here, false. But the thing is, justify they have given. Why it is justification we have to give? So to justify, just I will give the example over here. Just you have to give the example, that's all. So we will take one a value and b value. So we will not take the same value. So a value you can take as anything else. For you take down as a 30, and b value as take as a 45 degree. Let us see. Okay, 30 and 60 you take. So sine, I will do this. Sine we will take as a 30 degree plus 60 degree. So I will not taking here a 30 degree and 45 degree as a b, because 45 degree if you will take 45 plus 30, it will become 75. We don't know the sine for 75 degree value. So I am taking a which we know, 30 and 60 I am taking, and that is equals to on the right hand side we have sine A. Sine A we have taken a 30 degree, so I will take 30 degree plus here we have sine B. Sine B value we have taken 60, so sine 60 degree, whether it is true. So sine 30 plus 60 is sine 90 degree, and on the other hand we have sine 30 is half we have, and it is root 3 by 2. So obviously if you neglect this, you can find sine 90 degrees 1 we have, but on this side we have in terms of 2 is the same. So 1 plus root 3. So here we struck, because 1 plus root 3 is more than 1 only. So if you want to simplify, just to see that, okay, I will solve this down. So here we have 1, and on the other hand we will have here 1 plus root 3. Root 3 value is 1.8. Some value it will come, divided by 2 we have. So obviously 1 we have, 1 plus 1.8 is 2.8 divided by 2. Obviously 2 ones are 1.4. So right hand side and left hand side, if you will see, these are not equals to one another. Don't neglect this, okay? It is the simply I have taken for that verification. This is not the thing. From here it will continue. So here you can get that both are not equal, but it may be equal when we will take as a 0 over here. Okay, so for some time it will be equal, but it is not for every time. Every time if you will take the A angle as 0 degree and B angle you take anything else and verify, that time it may be equal, but we want for each time, if you substitute A value and B value, different values, that time you must get the answer as equal. Left hand and right hand side are equal, but it is not possible in this case, so it is false. That is our verification. So just verification, one example you give. So which will not be equals to another. If you will take 0 and 30, it may be equal. So if you sine 0 and 30 means if you sine 30 is half. Sine 30 value will be half. But on the other hand, we have to get that sine 0 degree. If you are taking here 0 and 30 on here, and obviously if you sine 0 degree is 0 and sine 30 is half, so you can see half is equals to half. Yes, it is true. When you are taking any one of this angle as 0, that time your answer is going to have the correct, but not for all the angles. That is not for 30 degree, not for 45 degree, not for 60 degree, or not for 90 degree. Only for 0 degree it is true, not for other angles. So I hope you understood that. So that is the first one is a false. Second one, the value of the sine theta increases as theta increases. Whether it's true. So we know that sine 0 degree. So I will take the sine 0 degree first. and 30 degree, 45 degree, then you have 60 degree and the 90 degree. So sine 0 degree value is 0, then it will come half, then it will be 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, and obvious last one is 1. So we know that, okay, that is the first one. We have 0, yes, 0, next is half, is more than, it is increasing over here, again it is increasing because it is moving on. So 1 divided by root 2 value, when it will come, it is obviously more than half, because it is root 2 value is 1.4, it will come, so obviously 0.7 it will come, and here root 3 by 2 means it will come 0.8. so here you have 0, here we have 0.5, here we have 0.7, and here it will have 0.8, lastly 1. So it is increasing as the angles are increasing. Similarly, the values also increasing. Yes, it is true. So we don't have verification, just we can write it on this example, that's all. Then we have the cos, coming to the same thing, cos. So cos, no, it is not true, because cos 0 degree is 1. Next it will come root 3 by 2. It is the reciprocal, it will come 1 by root 2. Then you have half, and lastly is 0. Obviously, from 1 it is decreasing to 0. So what we have taken here is increasing here. For cos it is false. So third one is the false now. So next one is sin theta and cos theta will be equal, it seems, left hand and right hand side are equal. For all value of theta they have given wrong, because all value of theta it will not be equals to one another. For here only you can verify your answer. So here only we have the sine and cos value have written already. Just you verify here your answer. So if you will verify correctly, you can come to know. For sine 0 degree and cos 0 degree, both the values are not same. One is 0 and one is cos 0 is 1. Similarly, sin 30 is half and cos 30 is root 3 by 2. Those both of them are not equals to one another. But it will be equal when the 45 degree it will come, it will be equal. So here sin 45 and cos 45 are equal. So I can take that sin 45 is equals to cos 45. That's all. And we can't go with any other angle. If you are taking 60 degree for sine, it will be root 3 by 2, but that time the cos 60 degree will become half. Lastly, that is the sine 90 degree will become 1, but the cos 90 degree will become 0. Means it is false, obviously, because all the value of theta of any angle, it will not be equal, but it will be equal for only one angle. That angle is 45 degree. That's all. So here they are all value, so it is wrong, false. So cot A is not defined for A is equals to 0. So here they have gone cot, that is also when it is not defined, means it is infinity. Not defined means we can't define it. When it is A is equals to 0, we know that cot A value is not defined at the 0 itself, because cot 0 when you will take, it is nothing but not defined. So if you want to know why it is, verify your answer. So you can go for a cot 0 degree is equals to, that is the cos 0 degree divided by sin 0 degree, because you know that cot theta is nothing but cos by sin. So cos 0 degree value, here only we have cos 0 is 1 divided by 0. We can't divide any number with the 0. When we will divide any number with the 0, it is called as not defined. So that is our answer. So this is the last one is the true. So obviously the first one false, second one is true, third one false, and the fourth one is also false, and the fifth one is true. So these are the 5 questions which I have to find as true or false, and I have already given justification also. So this is our answer. I hope you enjoyed this. So if you like this, just you press the like button, subscribe and share as much as possible. If you have any doubt in exercise 11.2, put that question in the comment section.